Welcome back, friends. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and keeps this growing community of industrial and manufacturing enthusiasts going strong. There's plenty more knowledge and insights coming soon, but for now, let's get right into today's topic. You know how sometimes you try to measure something with a ruler, and you kind of squint and guess if it's 5.2 centimeters or 5.3 centimeters. Like, you're not totally sure? Well, that's where something called a digital vernier caliper comes in, and it totally solves that little guessing game. Think of it like this: you are measuring the width of a coin. A regular ruler gives you a rough idea. A vernier caliper, though, is like the ruler's super precise cousin. And the digital version? That's the cool one. It just shows you the exact number on a little screen, no thinking required. You open the jaws, place the coin between them, gently close it, and boom, the screen might say something like 23.47 millimeters. You don't have to read tiny lines or do any mental math. It's like your phone's calculator, but for measuring things. And you can measure not just how wide something is, but also its inside diameter, like the opening of a bottle, or even how deep a hole is, all with the same tool. Honestly, it's super handy. That's why people in factories, labs, or even garages love them. They're quick, super accurate, and super easy. Once you try one, you kind of feel like, wow, why was I ever struggling with a ruler? Liked how easy that was? You'll definitely want to watch our vernier caliper dial video next. We break it down step by step, with simple visuals and clear explanations, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Hit that play button and level up your measuring game.